I'm Alex.
And today, you guys, we're going to be doing the unboxing. We just got it from Amazon, you guys. We are so excited. But before we get into the video, go ahead and like,
comment,
and subscribe to A&W Entertainment. All right, let's get right to the video.
Thank you.
Right back. All right, you guys, we're back. No, the camera's right here. There we go. It's supposed to have two dividers. I thought the divider's actually right here.
Yeah, that's the divider.
The divider's right here.
Yeah, so
on here it says make. So basically, there's a little a tab. Did you take out the tab and you put it on there?
The tab?
There's a tab that's on here. See? And this should be cooked in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes at 400 degrees.
Yes. So keep watching. All right. While we're waiting for our wings.
Clap.
Alex.
Wadney.
Oh man, and you guys are talking about I'm a freak some of the time. No, honey.
I have my moments.
Yes, you do. So we are waiting for our wings, you guys. We're just like
I am waiting.
We're like waiting. It took about 25 minutes, and then the fries are gonna take 15 minutes.
This is with fresh wings, not frozen wings. These are organic wings that I got fresh.
Okay, Alex. Oh my god, you guys. Alright, we'll be back, so keep watching. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a bite of it. Let's see how it tastes.
It smells good.
Comment down below. What do you guys like? Flats or drums? Comment down below. I wanna know.
Both.
Really good.
I've had my first run with the air fryer.
Dynamite.
Not bad. Alright, you guys, you know I don't like spicy, but I'm gonna taste a little bit of Alex's super hot wing. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, here it goes.
That's always pepper bites.
Here comes nothing.
Oh, it's not that bad. Don't be a baby.
It's super hot, you guys. That was super hot.
You like your wings, babe?
Mm-hmm. So soft. People like when we're eating, so. Sorry for standing up, you guys. I mean,
These wings are pretty damn good.
Dynamite. Jet.
there you go.
So you got some of the blue cheese and chives. Yeah.
Oh, and then bite. The sweet potato fries are almost done. We just want to let you know how good that the wings are. All right, we'll be right back. The fries, I think they might be done, you guys.
I think they've been done.
Yeah. Came out really good. All right. Okay, you guys, we are back. So we did do the fries. The fries are really good.
Oh, they were bomb.
So-
bomb.com.
Yes, I love the energy, babe.
Yes.
All right, what do you feel about the overall?
I am very impressed with the air fryer. I mean, ultimately, it was a pain in the ass to navigate at first, but the end result was worth the wait and the aggravation.
Yeah, it was. Because at first we had to figure it out. We had to read it. You know, that was behind the scene. We didn't actually record all that and stuff like that. But it's
a very fancy air fryer.
Yeah.
There's a lot of buttons on it, and
I mean, I was wanting to get one
Yeah.
from, like, my parents have one. I think they got it from Target. And the thing was just simple. You just press the knob, and you press, and it goes. And he wanted a fancy one.
yeah. See, I wanted a fancy one because I like to do all sorts of creative things when I cook.
Okay.
That's just how I operate,
Yeah, he does do a lot
and
of
we
stuff.
will figure it out to its fullest capabilities one of these days.
Yeah,
but
we
I think
will.
so far we've done pretty good.
It was good. It was good. And the wings were good.
I'm
you
happy
guys.
with the end result once
Yeah.
again, as I said.
Yeah. So we're going to end this video. Go ahead and like.
And comment down below and tell us what you do with your air fryers, and maybe some of the dishes, or I mean, how you like to use yours on a day-to-day basis.
We would love to hear it. We do read all our comments. So go ahead.
Yes.
And go ahead and subscribe
To A&W Entertainment.